The Grenada Broadcasting Network will spearhead a health forum on Tuesday, March 22nd and 29th under the theme, A New Focus on Health, a Collective Approach. Godfrey Augustine, the host of GBN's weekly Doctor on Call program, says there is a need for greater personal responsibility as it relates to individual health.
A lot of attention has been given to a lot of issues that people have to grapple with on a daily basis, chronic conditions, and even in other instances, simple issues that can be very stubborn.
Medical practitioners and corporate Grenada have lent their support to this initiative. Dr. Francis, who will address issues relating to disease diagnosis and treatment, says there must be a national conversation on healthcare. Dr. Martin, who served as Chief Medical Officer during the outbreak of the COVID-19 in Grenada, said the future of healthcare must be an integrated approach suitable for developing countries such as Grenada.
Hoping that as we have that discussion nationally, we'll be able to see how important allocations of funds are as it relates to, who gets what when it comes to improving healthcare. The training needs that you have for countries, depending on our epidemiological profile or the kind of diseases we have.
He said the issue of health financing must be addressed.
But we have to be able to use our resources that is available to us. And one of the things in developing countries, again, that the discussion has to have is how do you use what you have on the island to help you? And I'm speaking here about research or tertiary level institutions. In other words, we as a country must use the best that we have to help us go forward.
Managing Director of Antillian Life, Mr. Kenny John, says the platform provides the opportunity to educate Grenadians on the importance of personal responsibility for their health.
Seeing the proliferation of that instant universe where we want instant gratification. And food, we all like food. I like food. But food might not like us.
The forum would highlight various issues of public health, including environmental health. Antillian Life Insurance is a title partner of the forum. Mr. John was placed in the spotlight as Dr. Martin credited him for his undertaking for medical doctors in Grenada.
A lot of billions of dollars leave the country and go away. And we were determined, a group of us as Grenadians, determined not to make the sugar and send it to England anymore. And the only local group that came to our rescue was Mr. John and Antillian. So I want to publicly say thank you to you for being a groundbreaker and a pioneer.
The forum will be aired on March 22nd and 29th from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. on all GBN platforms, classic radio, television, and social media. Joseph Cador, GBN Health.